What are you doing? Did you record? Oh, hey! What up, guys? CP the Tool Addict! Woo! Sorry about that. Come on, Henry! Get on up here! Come on! Come on! What are you doing? Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on, little buddy! He's scared. There's a thunderstorm. How you doing, everybody? We got a good video for you today. You're definitely going to want to check this out. A couple little neat items. Unique tools, I guess we're going to call that. Unique tools. One's a gear wrench. The other one is a light that we're going to talk about. But let's get right into the video and get to jabbering and show you the tools.
A few moments later.
Alright, so this is the light. And I had a subscriber sent me a message. I think his name was Kyle or James. I can't remember. There's so many emails sometimes. This is a Cobb rechargeable light. It's like 2600 lumens. Convex leg, light, folding light. Portable, rechargeable. It's got a red, a low, a high beam, single light. And I don't know if this actually says it on here. 360 degree, which we'll show you all that. I don't know if it says, I'm pretty sure it said 2600 lumen. About 2 hours. I haven't charged it yet, to be honest with you. One blue indicator means 25%, two blue indicators mean 50%, and three indicates 75%, which means nothing because that doesn't mean actual run time. Comes with a cord, USB-C for the light, which is nice. And, yeah, IP68 rated. Not much information on the box, to be honest with you. Kind of weird, but here's the light itself. Now, these come two for 40 bucks, or you can buy them one for 26 bucks. They fold over like so. You know, they can do all this. They can do all this jazz right here where you can, let me get this mic over here. You can flip it around like that. It's got these, it's got a magnet on it that's actually pretty strong. And you can actually, believe it or not, if you look down in here, you've got a USB cord so you can charge with this thing. There's your charging port, but you could actually pull a charge off of it. It's got your three blue LED lights. Pretty bright little gem here. Single light, low beam, and then your red light, which I don't know. I guess you can put it on your back of your bicycle or whatnot, but if you don't know, lights are like the #1 thing for tools, guys. They are so huge. There's so many lights out there, so many different deals. He wanted me to check it out, and I said I really don't want to, but two for 40 bucks, you know, not a bad deal. It seems fairly well built. It's got these hex screws in the back here for these corner pieces that go all the way through. I don't know how real durable it's going to be, but it's. I will say, I have a couple other lights that I like, but I don't know if it's got 2600 lumens. I will slip in a clip in here that shows you this thing in the dark. See whether or not you like it or what you guys think. Let's do a light test on this light and see if it's to the rated 2000 lumens. It's pretty bright. That's low. You can see Henry back out there and his eyes glowing. That's one light. Red lights. 2000 lumens. Let's see what my Streamlight wedge looks like, and it's 1000 and like 300. Okay, so here's the Streamlight wedge. That's on regular. And there's 1000. I don't know, man. I don't think that thing's pumping out 2000 lumens. To be honest with you, that little Streamlight wedge, when you hit it on the high, Henry, come on. You hit it on, that's low, and I think they're rated, the Streamlight wedge is like rated for 350. And then you hit it on high. Let's do a quick comparison. Sorry, didn't mean to blind you. There's the light again. And there's a Streamlight wedge. Low, high. There's this light again. You guys tell me. I think it's not 2600. I don't know. I don't believe that this is packing out, but you guys know how I am. I'm really honest about my reviews. The ratcheting part of it's pretty neat. I think that's kind of neat. It has a pretty wide focus beam, and you've probably seen it and you'll see that in the video if you haven't seen it, or I slipped it in there now. But yeah, turns on really nice. It kind of does have that Coast style focus beam, and you can really widen it out. You can see how the birth of the light can really get spread out there. It kind of does put a crease down the middle. You see right there where the shadow of my finger is. So obviously when you put them together, it makes the beam a lot wider. But 26 bucks for one or 40 for two. I'll put a link down in the description. If you guys like it, you can definitely check it out. I think it's all right for the money. Be a nice camping light. The nice thing about this is, I do like about this versus some of the other lights I have, is this is a nice stand light. Like, you can set this down beside something if you're changing a tire. This is going to go in my truck. That's why I bought these, and I gave another one to another young fella, you know, helping a young guy out around here. Gave that to him to let him use because I thought, you know, it'd be good to see him use it and see what he thinks. You know, I like getting everybody's perspective on it, but, you know, you can set it like that, or you can just stick it on. The magnet is definitely, you know, pretty stout. So, anyways, let's look at the second thing I got here. And I've had these for a while, but I've never really talked about them. And I wanted to put this in here because I was looking through some stuff, and we're going to talk about these a little bit, and we're going to get into this a little bit deeper. But Gearwrench has had these out for many, many moons, and I do like these. You can turn your ratcheting wrench into a wrench. Obviously, this is not a reversible wrench, so you'd have to switch it out, take the adapter out, and flip it around, and you would then you would get to go the other way, you know. So, and these adapters are really neat because the fact is they have the quick release to them. I do not like, and if you can look here, I've used these a fair amount, but you see here, these do get chewed up in your your teeth of your ratchet. And they do work in 6-point or 12-point too. Obviously this is a 6-point hex, so you should be able to see that. But these O-rings do go bad, and you'll want to keep a couple extra O-rings around on hand because you will wear them out. But the 3/8 quarter are nice to turn your ratcheting wrench. And if you can save money, if a lot of guys don't want to spend money on a ratchet, you can buy a set of these for like 20 bucks. And these low-profile Gearwrench ratcheting wrenches, you know, put your ratcheting wrench on your 10 mil, with your 10 mil. Double 10 mils. What do you think about that? Now you can lose 2 10 mils at one time. Whoa. So, yeah, this one accepts a 19 millimeter, and this one accepts a 13 millimeter. But they're pretty nice. Like I said, now SATA has these, and we're going to talk more about SATA tools if you guys haven't. We had a deal there in the live stream where we were talking about SATA stuff, and I've been kind of researching and doing some stuff on looking into SATA, and you know, Gearwrench and SATA are owned by Apex Tool Group, so you can buy these either SATA. I'll put a link in the description for these, either Gearwrench or SATA. I don't know that it matters. I think they're the same price for each one, but you know, the knurling on them is pretty nice. They're definitely something nice to have. They're handy to have. If you want to take a ratcheting wrench and a couple of sockets and you don't want to take an extra ratchet, you know, it's nice to have these things. So, yeah, they're just a low-profile adapter for your ratcheting wrench. So, anyways, guys, that's the video for you. Appreciate you watching. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.